Hello students, welcome to M10 classes. Today the topic of our discussion is trigonometry. This introduction to trigonometry is the chapter 8 of CBSE class 10 book. So today we are going to discuss some basics about trigonometry. So let us see what is trigonometry first. If you are going to split this word trigonometry, first comes tri, which means 3. Then comes gon. Gon means sides. So as you know, like hexagon, pentagon, here gon stands for the number of the sides. And metri. Metri comes from the word metron, which means to measure. So trigonometry is basically the study of the relationship between the angles and the sides of a triangle. Now, we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. So here as you are getting ratios, here ratios means the ratio of the sides, and here you are getting the trigonometric ratios for only acute angle, and the trigonometric ratios of obtuse angle are beyond the scope of your syllabus. So we are going to read about the trigonometric ratios for acute angles in a triangle. Now, let me write all the 6 trigonometric ratios first. First one is sine, or it is written like sine theta. Next comes cosine, or which is written as cos theta. Next is tangent, or which is written as tan theta. Let's write then cosecant, or which is known as cosec theta. Next comes your secant, or sec theta, and lastly cotangent, or cot theta. Now listen here. This theta here represents the angle. So I have already told you we are going to take the acute angles only. Now look at this. This cosecant is the reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So I can write it here as sin theta. This sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So I can write it as 1 by cos theta. Next, this cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, so I can write it as 1 by tan theta. Okay. Now let us find what are these trigonometric ratios corresponding to a right triangle. So let us draw a right triangle first. So let us see, this is a right triangle and this is 90 degree, and we are let's say take a angle, let's say this is theta. Okay, in the right triangle, as you know, the longest side of the right triangle is the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. The side which is adjacent to the given angle is considered as base and denoted as B, and the side which is just opposite to the given angle is called the perpendicular and is denoted by P. Okay, so as you know, in case of Pythagoras theorem for right triangles, P square plus B square is equals to S square, that we are going to use it. Okay, so what are these trigonometric ratios corresponding to those sides? Let us see. To remember this, there is a trick which is shown in the movie Chuck and Duster. Let me tell you that. Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol Sona Chandi Tol. Okay, Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol Sona Chandi Tol. Now put the divide mark here. So H stands for sin theta. So sin theta equals to P by H. So I can write it here. Sin theta is equals to P divided by H. C stands for cos theta. So cos theta equals to B by H. So it will be B by H, and tan theta it would be P by B. Okay. So tan theta is P by B. You have got this ratios. Now to find this cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So sin theta here is P by H. So what would be cos theta? It would be H by P. Similarly, sec theta would be H by B, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, that would be B divided by P. Okay. Now let us see one thing. Let us take the division of sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Put the values. Sin theta is P by H. Cos theta is B by H. So you will get P by H into H by B, and here HH will be cancelled. You will get P divided by B. And see here, P by B is nothing but your tan theta. So what can you say? Sin theta divided by cos theta is equals to tan theta. So you can write this relationship. So this is an important relationship. You have to remember this. Okay. Now we'll go for solving some numerical. This is the basics or the fundamentals of this trigonometry. Let us solve some numericals. So let's say the question is sin A is equals to 3 divided by 4. Okay. Then find cos A, and then tan A. Let's say I'm adding something to the question. Let's say let's B 90 degree. Then find sin C and cos C. Okay. Now before going to solve this question, let us draw a triangle. Obviously you are going to draw a right triangle. Okay. Let's say A, B, C. As it is given in the question, angle B is 90 degree. Okay. Now here it is given sin A equals to 3 by 4. Whenever you are considering this angle A, now see here, if we consider this angle A, so what would be the base? It would be AB. Okay. And what would be the perpendicular? It would be BC, and AC will be your hypotenuse. Now you can write it here. Sin A, that is equals to P divided by H. Okay. So here if we consider this angle A, so this AB will be your base and this will be the perpendicular. So what will be the perpendicular here? BC divided by what would be H? It is the hypotenuse, that is your AC. That is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Now this is in the form of a ratio. To get BC, let us multiply a constant. That implies, let's say BC equals to 3K and AC equals to 4K. Okay, I have multiplied a constant to get the values of BC and AC. So right here BC equals to 3K, BC equals to 3K, and this is equals to 4K. Okay. So which value that you don't know, that is this AB. So what you are going to apply? You are going to apply your Pythagoras theorem. So AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Okay. Now put the values. AB is unknown plus BC square. BC is 3K. So what are you going to get? 9K square, and AC square 4K whole square, that will get 16K square. Okay. So what is AB square? That is 16K square minus 9K square, that is equals to 7K square. Okay. So what will you get? AB equals to root 7K. Obviously a side will never get a negative value. So what do you have get? AB equals to root 7K. Okay. Now You have got this values. I am erasing this. Okay. First of all, we have to find cos A and tan A. Okay. Now, for angle A, okay, for angle A, what is your P? Perpendicular is 3K. As this is the angle, this is the base, this is perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. So P equals to 3K, B equals to root 7K, and your H equals to 4K. Okay. To find cos A. Now, cos theta is equals to B by H. B divided by H. So for angle A, which is the base, that is your AB, divided by H equals to AC, which will give you root 7K divided by 4K, that is equals to root 7 by 4. So this is the value of cos A. Then what is tan A? Tan A is P divided by B. For this angle A, P is BC and base is AB. Put the values. BC divided by AB, that is 3K divided by root 7K, you will get 3 divided by root 7. This is you are getting for cos A and tan A. Now for angle C, if you consider this angle C, so what will be the base? BC will be the base. Remember, the side which is adjacent to the given angle will be your base. So here base equals to 3K, P will be your root 7K, and H is as usual 4K. Now put the values to get the sin C first. Sin C, that is equals to P by H. So for angle C, which is the perpendicular AB, you will get AB divided by AC, that you are getting your P, you have taken here root 7K divided by 4K. It is cancelled out, you have got root 7 by 4. Then comes cot C. What is cot C? Cot is B divided by P. So what you have got? B here 3K, and what is P here? Root 7K. It is cancelled out, that is 3 divided by root 7. Now this is the basics how to find the P and how to find the B, then how to find this trigonometric ratios. Next we'll solve some more numericals. Because by solving numericals your doubts will be clear. Okay. Now the next question that we are going to solve is, in a triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Okay. Angle B is 90 degree. If tan A equals to 1, prove that 2 sin A cos A is equals to 1. And this is what we are going to prove. Okay. So what is given here? In a triangle ABC, so as it is given that there is a triangle ABC, first of all draw the triangle ABC. Right angled at B. Let's say this is A, this is C. Okay. It is given tan A equals to 1. So here we have considered this angle A. Now consider this angle A. Okay. So for angle A, okay, what is the perpendicular and what is the base? Base is your AB, perpendicular is your BC, and hypotenuse is your AC. Okay. Now what is given here? Tan A equals to 1. Now let us put these values. Tan A, that is equals to P by B. Okay. So this is equals to 1. Now what is P here? AB. Sorry, P here is BC divided by B here is AB, that is equals to 1. From this equation what you are getting? BC equals to AB. Let's say its value is x. Okay. Now this is x, this is x. Okay. So what you need to find out? You need to find out AC. Now what are you going to do? You will utilize this Pythagoras theorem. Now put the value AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. As AB and BC both are x, so x square plus x square equals to AC square. That implies 2x square equals to AC square, and that will give you AC equals to square root of 2x square, that is nothing but your root 2x. So you have got your root 2x. Now you have got the values of all the sides. Now see here, you need to get sin A and cos A. Okay. Now what is sin A? Sin A equals to your P by H. So here you have got P is BC divided by H equals to AC. Now see what you have got, BC equals to X, H equals to root 2X. Now put those values. What you are getting? 1 by root 2. Similarly, let's find out this cos A. What is cos A? It is B divided by H. You have got B here is AB, H equals to AC. As AB is also equals to X and this is root 2x, this is cancelled out, you have got 1 by root 2. Okay. Now you have got these values. Now you have to prove this. That is 2 sin A. So what is LHS? Your 2 sin A into cos A. Now put the values. 2 into 1 by root 2 sin A, 1 by root 2, cos A is also 1 by root 2. That is root 2 into root 2 is 2. So what you are getting? 1. That is equals to LHS. So while solving these problems related to this trigonometric ratios, always try to find out all the sides. Then you can put and get the answers. Okay. Lastly, we are going to solve one more problem. Now the question is, in triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degree and PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeter. PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeter. Next, PQ is 5 centimeter. Determine sin P, cos P and tan P. We have to find the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay. Always start from whatever is given, whatever the data is given to you. First of all, there is a triangle PQR. So first draw a triangle PQR. Okay, where Q is 90 degree. So let's say this Q is 90 degree. Okay. Now let's say this is P, this is R. This is the triangle PQR. Here given PQ is 5 centimeter. PQ is 5 centimeter. So to get this sin P, cos P and tan P, you have to find this QR and PR. Okay. And whatever data is given, PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. Okay. So let us utilize Pythagoras theorem here. For this triangle, so what will be the Pythagoras theorem? PQ square plus QR square equals to PR square. Okay. Now there is the relation of PR and QR here. So let us take this QR to right hand side. You will get PQ square is equals to PR square minus QR square. Okay. Now this is in the form A square minus B square. So PQ square equals to, I can write it as A plus B into A minus B. Okay, you have got this value of PR plus QR. You know the value of PQ. So now put the values. So 5 square equals to 25 into PR minus QR. So 25 equals to 25 into PR minus QR. So this is cancelled. What you are getting? PR minus QR is equals to 1. Now see here, you are getting two linear equations here. One is this one and this one. Let us solve this. Okay. PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeter. I just write 25. PR minus QR equals to 1. Now simply add this. When you are going to add this QR and QR will be cancelled. So what you are getting? Okay, 2PR is equals to 26. That means PR equals to 13. Okay. Now putting this value here, your PR is 13. 13 plus QR equals to 25. So QR is equals to 25 minus 13, that is equals to 12. Okay. Now you have got the values of all the sides. PR here is 13 centimeter and here it is 12 centimeter. So what you have got? You have got the values of all the sides. Now you can easily find out this sin P, cos P and tan P. Now let us find it. Okay, now as this is considered as the given angle, so this should be the base, this should be the perpendicular and this should be the height. Now write it. For angle P, so what is P? Perpendicular is a QR, that is equals to 12 centimeter. Base, that is equals to PQ, that is equals to 5 centimeter. H equals to PR, that is equals to 13 centimeter. Okay. Now you can easily find out what is sin P. Sin P, sin theta equals to P divided by H. So P you are taking here 12, H is 13, so you will get 12 by 13. You have got the answer. Next is cos P, that is equals to B by H, that will give you base is 5 by 13. Tan P, that is equals to P divided by B, that is equals to 12 divided by 5. So this is your got the answer. Okay. So students, you can solve such numericals from your book as well as from different reference books also. And I hope you have understood whatever I have taught you. Please go through different questions and solve different numericals so that your doubts will be clarified. And if you are getting any doubts, you can write it in the comment section. I will get new videos related to those numericals. So please like, share and subscribe these videos, and I will get you some new videos related to trigonometry. Till then, thank you.